Welcome to 344 Sawtooth Drive in Whitefish, Montana. This is a great ranch home with a lower level with 2 bedrooms and a full bath. We just walked on the great covered deck, so your porch can be used all year round. And as you walk into the home, you have a wonderful kitchen on the left with granite counters, slate appliances, wood floors, very open living spaces, huge area for a dining room table, and a lovely spacious living room with vaulted ceilings and a gas fireplace. If you take a look at the other side of the kitchen, there's a wonderful office / den that you could use as a hobby room, TV room, or as they have an office. Off of the kitchen is a terrific pantry, lots of shelves for all your goods. And then that leads into your laundry room, which also has additional shelving. And through the hallway, you would access the guest bath, little powder bath for the main floor. And there's the master in relation to, again, this great living room and dining area. There's a full master suite, again with granite counters, tile tub surround, and a wonderful tile shower. This room also has vaulted ceilings, so lots of light gets into this home. Very spacious, sitting area for reading, and that overlooks the backyard. This backyard is also very private because there's a large lot behind it that's all treed. So now we'll go downstairs, and this is a really well lived in, loved home. You'll see by the balloons from celebrations past. It's a great bonus room. Lots of room to stay and play. Wonderful, huge egress windows that let the light flood in on these 2 bedrooms down here. So guests or family members can have some privacy if they'd like in the lower level. And this door here is your crawl space access. And there's also a full bath in the downstairs. Single sink. And another really beautiful tile shower. So now I'll take you outside. We're going to walk through this great living room into the backyard. There is a very roomy back covered deck that leads out onto your yard. And the nice thing about this home is, even though it's in a subdivision, it's very private. This land back here is a larger lot that's privately owned, so there is no subdivision behind you. So this is all you see. And there's a gigantic yard over here in the back, big enough to put a trampoline or more furniture. Again, completely fenced just a few years ago. And if you're an avid skier, you can just walk off this covered deck and look right up into Big Mountain and decide if the weather is good enough for you to go for the day. So that's it. 344 Sawtooth Drive, Whitefish, Montana.